From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. Wireless intelligent sensing technology has introduced a range of sensor technologies to its product range, offering its clients enhanced security and tracking capabilities. Dimakatso Motau has the story.
WiST CEO Gert Botha explains how the sensor technologies operate, from tracking animals to ensuring goods are accounted for through the supply chain to personal security in homes and vehicles.
The WiST technology basically starts with the first device is a sensor. And I've showed you sensors today. It's quite a small little device that's self-powered. The device then transfers the data on a regular interval to a WiST updater. And the WiST updater is like a modem or a cell phone. It transfers the data via either GSM or via Ethernet to the internet. On the internet, we've got a database that basically collects all the data, and then some software that you can utilize to analyze data and also to look at trends and patterns. Should there be alarm on any of the devices that you've actually connected the WiST sensor to, that alarm will then be sent either via to your cell phone or to a control room or to another system if you wish. That's it in a nutshell.
The feedback with these sensors is based on real time with SMS or email updates that keep the owner updated of the movements of the goods or animals. The technology has the possibility to play a significant role in tracking rhinos, with further research still underway to ensure that sensors aimed at rhinos are more effective to curb the challenge of rhino poaching in South Africa.
Other news making headlines this week: an Exxaro Tata energy venture aims to generate 16 gigawatts of cleaner power by 2025. WITS hopes its new science stadium will set the stage for new science champions, and university students seek to promote entrepreneurship. Private energy company Senergy, a joint venture between mining group Exxaro and the power unit of Indian multinational Tata, was formally launched in early April, where it announced an aspiration to acquire and develop 16 gigawatts of energy generation projects in South Africa, Namibia and Botswana by 2025.
Energy is the real business of the future, and there's a very strong need that as coal producers in South Africa, we start immersing ourselves in renewable energies, because we need to continue being a responsible corporate citizen.
Tertiary capacity for engineering, science and mathematics students has been boosted through the construction of the University of the Witwatersrand's Science Stadium, equipped with cameras and modern equipment.
Although this is a science building, we serve three faculties through this building. This is engineering, science and the health sciences. So the future doctors of the country that are trained at WITS will start their university careers in this building. So you can see that it has impact very broadly across the university and across the country.
Non-profit organisation Students in Free Enterprise South Africa aims to continue promoting entrepreneurship and get more university students involved in its efforts to reach more communities and contribute to tangible change.
Entrepreneurship is probably the most important thing in South Africa today for the following reasons. Firstly, 68% of private sector jobs are created by companies employing 50 or fewer people. A company employing 50 or fewer people is the domain of the entrepreneur. And I'm not going to be rude about academic studies, because there really is a place for them. But the place for it is about creating consciousness and knowledge. And that's all it is. What SIFE does is it takes students and it forces them to apply that in a very practical, real sense. And the best way to turn academic knowledge into intuitive and emotional learning and teaching and impact is through applied schemes.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insight into South Africa's real economy.